Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and I got more news on the new Sangean ATS-909X2. It's now available. Well, it's been available and on Amazon. I think a couple weeks ago it was over $1,000, and it's now down to $259. And I'm getting a lot of reports from my viewers and subscribers who have either ordered one or got one on order, so I hope to get more updates. I'm ready to pull the lever and get one myself. Apparently the latest firmware version is 73. A couple of people that have purchased one from Amazon somehow was told that they will be getting version 73. I really liked my old ATS-909, so I'm looking forward to this one. It's a love or hate situation because it uses this unique down here tuning wheel, and I really like that. At first I didn't like it, but I really liked it. Kind of like spin the wheel there to tune. Supposedly the screen is larger, which of course my vision is not getting any better, so that would be handy. So I'm going to wait for a couple of reports from some of my subscribers, and if they say it's a go, I'm going to get one and try it out. I've got another little commission check for $25 from my Amazon store, so I'm slowly accumulating some funds to pay for this. And if you haven't used my Amazon store, the link to my store is in the description below each of my shows. And if you go there, if you take that link, you're going to Amazon. I really don't have a store. It's just a storefront page that they allow people to generate. And then if you buy something, even if it's not in my store, like you buy birdseed, I get a very small commission, but it adds up. So if you could do that, help me out. I'll get some more funds to pay for this radio, and we'll order one of these things. And the other thing that's really nice, and I see if I can show you it here. Let me get off of that. Free returns. Amazon has a great return policy. I've had to return a couple of things that were actually just broken, and you just they send you a return label and you put it back in the box and you take it to UPS. That's one way. And when you get back home, you've gotten a credit. So that's a little bit of reassurance that if it doesn't work, that you can get your refund. So I'm very, very close to getting one of these. I'm really looking forward to it. There were some problems with the initial ones, and as recent as my last video, where I got a report that it is susceptible to Wi-Fi noise from your computers and stuff, which I have other radios that are susceptible to that noise, so that's not a big deal. So hopefully this latest version 73 has fixed some of these other problems. I don't remember exactly what the problems were that people have listed, so I need to go back and look at my emails and my posts and stuff like that and make a cumulative list of the problems with the initial versions, because the initial versions were not production versions. They were pre-production versions that certain people were able to get, and those people found these problems. So that's about it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.